If you have been using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China for a very long time, or you are new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to source and ship products from China, and you find it difficult to make payment, I have a very good news for you that new recent update on Pinduoduo allow you to use different means of payment. And in fact, recently, there is a new payment options in your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app that you can explore right now as at the time of making this video. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and make sure your Pinduoduo is up to date. If you don't know how to update your Pinduoduo app, let me quickly walk you through step by step. So for you to update so that you have access to some of these new payment options. For you to update, click on you right here. So once you click on you, it's going to take you right here. Simply click on the setting from the top right here. Then you want to make sure you scroll down until you get to about right here. So click on about. Then it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to make sure you click on this one right here. And then you are going to see update. Because I have already updated this, that is why you see this. It shows update. Now, after a successful update, that is when you can see the new payment options in your Pinduoduo account. How can we have access to that? So for that, I'm going to show you with a particular product as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this product right here. Now, let's say we want to pay for this particular product right here. We simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. Now you have other different payment method right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to see more. So here you go. So as at the time of making this video, these are available new payment method right here. Now take a look at this particular store right here. They have about 6 different payment methods. So if you cannot make payment, you don't have WeChat, you don't have Pinduoduo Pay, you don't have Alipay, you can as well use debit or credit card, whether Master or Visa card. Then scroll down right here and see other options. And this is another one here. Ask a WeChat friend to pay for you. And then this is another new payment option added in your Pinduoduo app. For everyone that have QQ, you can as well use QQ account or your QQ wallet to pay for any goods and services on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me know what you think about some of these payment options in the comment section down below. And likewise, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.